boxes, which is there.
Oh, let's show me the boxes.
Which is there.
So what are these boxes going to do?
These are going to stop people parking on a drive, and then this is going to go at the back, and then we're going to make something in between the two boxes so they're level and the same sizes.
So the boxes going to be planters?
Yeah, they're going to put plants in and put soil in.
Okay. And so what's this bit here that you're making here?
This is the back of it, and then we're putting that at the back, and then at the moment I'm doing the screws in.
Excellent. So what's it like working in Oakwood, doing woodwork?
It's really lovely, everyone's really friendly and it's a lot of joy. We have a great laugh when we do it.